first of all, you should have the client prepare the CFR. It's not the auditor's job to prepare that. So if they can't prepare an adequate CFR and obtain all the information that's required, that really should be an audit finding. And also you should look at their internal controls over preparing the CFR. How do they know that the numbers that they're putting on that are complete and are accurate? So it's both looking at the numbers themselves and tying the auditor tying them into your audit work, your trial balances, but also understanding how the client controls the numbers that they put on a CFR. Controls is a big area in single audits. If you just take an audit of a small state local government or a nonprofit organization, most auditors are not going to be testing internal controls. They're going to be assessing control risk as high, and they're going to do more substantive procedures. Single audit, for the major federal programs, you need to do the specific requirements for testing controls. So for each compliance requirement that's applicable to a program and that could have a direct and material effect, non-compliance having a direct and material effect on that major program, auditor needs to assess control risk at a low level and perform procedures to be able to achieve that low level of control risk. This is one of the really big areas where deficiencies are found in single audits, so auditors really need to pay attention to this. So if you can't assess control risk as low, either because there's no design, an inadequate design of the control, or when you test the control, it's not operating effectively, you're finding exceptions, then you're required to report a finding for that. So you need to kind of build that into your audit approach. And also for if you do have a finding, can't assess control risk as low, you need to consider doing more substantive tests, just like you would on a financial statement audit, do a higher level, more compliance testing.